Is Xbox Live down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Xbox right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. I already went to their support Xbox, and here as you can see uh, their status at games and gaming is currently an outage reported, and they also said that we're working on this issue. You may have problems with EA Sports also. So if you do have issues with Xbox, you can comment in the comment section down below your problems with Xbox. You should try to update your Xbox, and I think that will solve your problem. Make sure that your Xbox is updated. Thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more updates about this topic. Have a great day. Bye bye.